Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is a marvel of automotive engineering, seamlessly blending cutting-edge aerodynamics with striking aesthetics. Its low-slung, futuristic design exudes aggression and beauty, with every curve and detail honed for speed. The carbon fiber body, sculpted lines, and massive rear diffuser make it look like a race car, while the distinctive Aston Martin grille adds an air of elegance. The butterfly doors add another layer of drama to its already commanding presence. Inside, the Valkyrie is designed with a track-focused, minimalist approach. The dashboard is dominated by a sleek, digital display that provides critical information to the driver. The steering wheel, inspired by Formula One, is packed with essential controls for an immersive driving experience. High-end materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather elevate the interior, offering luxury without sacrificing the car's lightweight focus. At the heart of the Valkyrie is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, developed with Cosworth, producing a staggering 1,160 horsepower. Coupled with a hybrid electric system, this powertrain allows the Valkyrie to sprint from 0 to 100 km height in just 2.5 seconds. Competing with the likes of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and McLaren Speedtail, it stands among the top hypercars. Priced at around $3 million, the Valkyrie is a limited production masterpiece. Driving it is an unparalleled experience, with razor-sharp handling and relentless acceleration, though its road comfort may be compromised by its track-ready setup. Its advantages lie in its extreme performance and exclusivity, while its disadvantages include the price and limited practicality for everyday use.